Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add payment method on TikTok ads account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for ads.tiktok.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, you just need to click on your profile icon at top right corner and a drop-down menu will open up. Inside this menu, click on the payment feature and a new web page will load up. Now, in order to add balance to your account, you can just click on the Add Balance button and then enter the required amount. Once done, click on Next and you will be prompted to select a payment method. Simply select the target method and then enter the required information to add it to your account. So that's basically how you can add payment method on TikTok ads account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.